What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Now today's video I'm going to be showing you a brand new PrettyLittleThing promo code, guys. This is by far the best PrettyLittleThing discount code available in 2024. It's working, it's completely legit, and you can save $100 or 50% off your next order simply by entering in a promo code in the basket or checkout on the PrettyLittleThing website. So you've got to go to this website on your mobile phone, guys, to get your promo code. So go to www.topdogcodes.com. So head over to Top Dog Codes, guys, because this website is the best coupon code website that I've discovered. And trust me when I say it, I spend hours and hours searching, guys. So go to the search bar and just type in Pretty Little, it should just pop up, PrettyLittleThing coupons and deals, also known as PLT if you don't want to keep saying it. Anyway, guys, you can see you can choose a couple of codes. As I mentioned, you can get a $100 promo code, or you can get a 50% off code. Now, I'm saying dollars, but it will just work in your local currency. So it doesn't matter if you're in the UK, it'll just translate to pounds, or wherever you are in the world, euros, whatever. So click on show coupon. Now, because these coupon codes are extremely valuable and limited, you need to unlock your personal promo code, guys. So you can see this $100 code is protected to stop people from stealing them. So tap unlock code, and when this gets to the end, you can see it's like going around here. I'm not going to do it, I've already got enough promo codes, but when that reaches the end, you're going to see a new screen and it's going to tell you exactly how to unlock your promo code. It does take about 5 minutes. You have to verify yourself as a real person, which I know is a bit annoying, but I think it's worth it considering how much money you could potentially save using these codes. And yeah, once you've done that, it will fully reveal your code and you can literally enter it into the basket or checkout on PrettyLittleThing. So it's super easy, guys. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. You can drop a comment below if you need any help, but it's super easy if you follow the instructions. Just go to topdogcodes.com and get your PrettyLittleThing promo codes in 2024. Peace out, guys.